Now the next thing we have to study what is the limit of resolution and resolution power, or that is nothing but the resolving your power. Yeah, so the smallest angular or linear separation between the 2 points, yeah, so at which they just can be seen as a separate, so that is nothing but your limit of resolution, obviously, which depends on the megapixel. If the ability of that, you can say that instrument, if it is having more megapixels, so you can observe the minute details for that, so that is what we can call as a limit of resolution. Yeah, and the resolving power, obviously, which is inverse of your limit of resolution. So that is, obviously, you can observe the minute details with the help of 24 megapixel easily as compared to the 12 megapixel. Yeah, so the same thing, that is resolving power, which is the inverse of your 1 upon, that is a limit of resolution. Yeah, so that is the inverse of your this limit of resolution. So that is what we can call about this your resolving power. Yeah, so this is one thing. Again, what is the Rayleigh's criteria for resolution? When the 2 point objects, you can say they're well separated or they are just resolved. So what is the condition for that resolution? When I'm just consider this is nothing but the 2 point objects, so obviously you're going to see with the help of that aperture, that lens, for example, which will act, obviously, that, yeah, so when you observe those objects through those lenses, it is going to produce the two diffraction pattern, that is each for that object, and definitely each of them is going to produce the diffraction pattern. Yeah, so for this point object you will find there is a diffraction pattern. Yeah, and similarly for the second one also. So for the second one, so let's say that if I just try to show it, let's say, yeah, so this is how we can show, that is for your second one also. Yeah, fine. So there are various conditions, so under which you can say that, so this is nothing but well resolved or it is not resolved properly. So what is the condition for that? So we have to say for this particular thing. Yeah, so in that case, so let's say, yeah, so here it is a well resolved. So the condition is that the maxima of one of that your point object should lie on the first minima of the second. Yeah, so here you can say that, so this maxima of the first one lie on the first minima of the second, or here you can say that the maxima of this point object will lie on the minima, first minima of the second one. So just you can say that they are resolved properly. So this is unresolved. So if they are very close to each other, so you can't say that, so they are not separated, and this is well resolved. So that is what we can say about the Rayleigh's criteria for the resolution, and the formula for same for that is given as a lambda upon 2 mu sine theta. The resolving power of telescope also you can find, so that is 1 upon that your limit of resolution, that is a d upon that is 1.22 lambda. Yeah, so that is the diameter of that your objective lens which you're going to use.